Hey YouTubers out there, how you doing today? Hope you're having a really good day today. And today we're going to be playing Will You Press the Button? So, it's a simple concept, so there's like a benefit and then there's a disadvantage. And you know, will you take the advantage over the disadvantage by pressing the button, or will you not press the button? It's super simple, but here. I'm just going to read this one. You are the dictator of the United States for no longer than 8 years than a normal president comes after your term. But you are assigned at the end. What? Oh, I get it. Nah, I'm not gonna do it. Next. You can never die. Oh my god. I hate these ads, but I can't get rid of them. You can never die, but you cannot leave the city, town you currently live in. I will press that button. Have pressed the button while 60% did not. What? You are immortal to know. Oh wait. You are immortal and know the meaning of our existence and our true religion, but you are and forever will be unable to communicate those facts with anyone or anything. Well, anything as an inanimate object and only people. You know, you can talk to your pet, because they can't understand you. Unless they were a talking pet, or they were really smart. Like my mom's favorite dog. But I'm just going to go for that because I'd want extensive knowledge on lots of stuff. You are given whatever knowledge of the universe that you seek, but you are never truly satisfied, nor shall you ever be satisfied again. Okay, I'll press that button. Oh god, it was almost a 50-50. If it was a 50-50, then I'd be really good. You meet Santa Claus, but no one believes you. I'll press that button. If he was real. Okay. Or is he real? Doesn't matter. Okay, let's continue. You can read all languages, even hieroglyphics, which were an old picture-like writing that was in what the Egyptians. Alright. Inside of pyramids, right? The Great Pyramid of Giza. Well, in most small little temples inside of there with pillars on the side would usually have hieroglyphics carved into it. And we actually understand the language a little bit, but not too much. But you can't speak that language. Right? You can read all languages, even hieroglyphics, but you can't speak that language. Well, I already know how to read English, so I'm never going to be able to speak English again. I'll press that button. I don't want this. What language can I not speak? That's the question for this dude here. Oh well, it doesn't matter. I don't care about you because I already have you. You're on Steam. And you're also annoying when I open you up because you don't fill the entire... You don't fill the entire window, but that doesn't matter. 70 to 30. You can press the button, but you can never press it again. Well, what does the button do? What? Do about it? Unpress it? Press. Okay. Well, you can press the button, but you can never press it again. What does the button do? That's my question. No, I will not press that button. People have pressed this button while 48 did not. Okay. You gain all knowledge of every game that's existed until this point, but you can never play those games again. I will not. Because I've never played anything from the NES. Getting your dream job, but not being well paid. I would not like that, because I have no dream job, because I'm not thinking about getting a job. Because I'm a young child who loves to be on YouTube. Ooh, what are these ads over here? Well, I don't care now. What is that thing? Okay. Brunley. I can't read that. Brunley culture never existed, but punk culture also never existed. Is that brawny? You know, like brains and bronze? Sure, I will not. Because punks are jerks and jerks are a-holes. Next. Oh, did I just do that wrong? I think I did not press the button. I'm an idiot. It doesn't matter. You can heal all people emotionally, mentally, and physically. Which means you're just like SCP-999, except that he can't heal you physically. Okay. But every time you heal someone, a part of your indivisibility? I can't read it. It's lost. I will not. It's pretty even. Oh well. I'm being a little quiet for what I would usually call myself active, but oh well. You can have the most beautiful singing voice ever known. Bringing joy to everyone in the world. Even though it doesn't say that. But you're not allowed to hear yourself sing. Well, you hear yourself talk. And really, even if you plug your ears or you're deaf, you can feel inside of your skull and chest. If you have a cracking voice like me, I'm practically pubescent in that case, actually. You're gonna feel what you're saying. But I will not, because I don't sing. But if you want me to sing a really bad song that I don't want to sing, put it in the comments. You are married to the love of your life. You both are happy, and neither of you ever cheat. But you can't have any children of your own. This includes adoption. I will press that button. We shall continue. Don't ask why. You could enter any Pokemon region of your choice, but you cannot exit it ever. Well then, that's like the one where you live in the same city, and then you live in town. Okay, never mind, doesn't matter. Sorry. Check on that because I don't know the time of how long I've been doing this, but it's been 9 minutes. I have a frickin' stopwatch on my watch. But I don't use it. Crap. No watch, come back, okay. I got it. I don't need that stopwatch anymore, and sorry that I am not continuing with the video. But I will not press that button. Because you stay in there forever. You're never coming out. You're never gonna go get any other Pokemon. You wanna be a Pokemon master? Well, have fun staying in the same region for the rest of your life. Alright. You will gain the ability of flight, but but there will always be traffic. And what circumstances does that mean? I don't get it. Is there going to be traffic on the road, on the freeways all day? On the 5, on the 10, on the 105? Haha, smart. Okay. I don't know. I will not press that button because I'd rather want to teleport. Because you can teleport yourself in the middle of the air and then skydive. And then teleport yourself down on the ground again. You could have tickets to your dream concert. But you'd have to show up naked and very hairy. That would not show your nudity. But I will not. What did I do? I'm going away from that. And we shall continue. You can see the future, but you will be blind for the rest of your life. I will not, because I do not want to know how the world ends or how the world will be eventually. You have good looks, but your biggest enemy is your boss for the rest of your life. Even though I'm going to be the boss of myself, so I'm going to fear myself, which I will press that button. And your boss, I don't care about this. You have good looks, but your biggest enemy is your boss, which is not you if you're your own boss. See? Doesn't matter. Your love starts to love. You true and will live by your side until the day you die, but you'll get AIDS, cancer of not a healable type. Okay, so it's like herpes. Except that's gonna kill you. Faster. Well, not faster, it's just gonna kill you. But I will not. Because, why would I do that? Sorry, don't mean to click. I don't mean to right click, but it doesn't matter. Everything will be free just for you. Except for electronic goods, which will be more expensive. Like how much? $100? $1,000? I'll be fine with that. Free? Oh, okay, then hey, can I buy some money? Can I get some money for free, please? Yeah, sure. Here's all the money that we have in our banks, and yeah, go do whatever you want with it. Yay! Wait. Can I have your bank company? Yes, you may. You are now our boss. What shall you do? Give me some money, please. I need to go buy myself an iPhone. No, not an iPhone. Not an iPhone. Nothing of Apple, because Apple sucks. It should die in hell. And I never want to see an Apple laptop again unless my mom's working, which I do not care. I will press that button. Next. Get free computers, technology for life, but you cannot own a car. Uber or taxi. I don't know which one's better, but I don't prefer either of them. I will press that button for electronics goods. My favorite thing in the world. Michael Bay dies and stops making movies, but you have to deliver his eulogy. I don't know what that says, but I don't want Michael Bay to die, and I don't even know who he is, so I'm just going to come on. Just going to continue. You find the love of your life at age 25 and are happily married for 85 years, but you have a genetic condition that means you will never have an orgasm. I will not press that button, please. And next, please. You can pause the video and look at the board on how many times the button was and was not pressed. The girl-guy of your dreams falls madly in love with you, but the closer and longer you are near them, the faster you age. Well, that depends how fast you age. Let's see. Already am with the girl of my dreams. Okay, then, never mind. I will not. I will not press that button. You can do anything you want, but you only can live for more 1 years. What? You only can live for more 1 years. Don't you mean you can only live for 1 more year? Well, I'm Buddhist, so that means that I come back to life as anything I would like, such as myself, which means I will never die. At least my soul will never die, but everything else of what I'm here will die. My memory will die. Anything of me, except for all my possessions. That is not me, but inanimate objects. I will press that button. So, what? Okay. We're good. You instantly gain all the knowledge available in any field of study, but you can never learn anything else past what you know. I will not press that button. I want to continue learning. Science! Science is the best. Science created everything we are here now with today. As well as this computer. As well as this game. As well as our food that we created. Our wheat is now 4 times more at a production rate because some man found out how to grow it 4 times faster. Which India was most likely going to die until he came along, did what I just said, and now they're all living happily ever after, and they are actually providing food for others than just themselves. Which California is doing the same, even though we're in a drought. We're basically the most productive state in the world. I live in the most famous state in the world because it's got a Disneyland, a Legoland, a Universal Studios, which everything also there is at Florida, which has hurricanes, pythons, crocodiles, and alligators. I don't know which one it has, but I think it's got crocs instead of alligators. You save any infant from a house fire, but you get 3rd-degree burns on your entire body. I will not press that button because it's easier for somebody else to do that, like a firefighter, even though they die every day. Rest in peace if you're a Christian. As for me, I am Buddhist, or if you're Jewish. Alright. You can do blue crystals, meth. Go away. I don't care. Okay, thank you. Meth without any bad side effects, additional or legal ramifications. I can't read any of this on this side. I know what meth is. It's a drug. Don't take meth, kids, nor cocaine, nor weed. Without any bad side effects, addiction, or legal ramifications. Okay. But you forget the ending of Breaking Bad, can never watch it, and no one can tell you what happens. I will not press that button because I don't watch Breaking Bad. Maybe I should press that button just to see what it felt like. I don't care, though, because I'm not that kind of person. But that's all the time I have for this video today. So if you guys liked the video, then please leave a like down below. If you want to see more of this, leave a comment in the comment section below, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. But as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye, I guess. No, bye.